website for your business? High quality and professional website design templates at very affordable pricing. Hello my dear friends, welcome back and I'm sure you all are doing great. Fantastic. Okay. So today I'm very happy because I have one more launch for all of you, right? Today we have launched our website called wisewebtech.in, and that is nothing but very high quality and professional website templates at very affordable price, right? So since the pandemic situation is going on, I am sure everybody is looking for cost effective solutions. So we thought to support our fellow entrepreneurs with a very cost effective but high quality and professional design. With just rupees 2,999 we are giving professional templates. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to log into our website www.wisewebtech.in. Okay, then you can see different category of templates like business templates, corporate, technology, beauty, interior, furniture, all the categories we have templates, and all are high quality and professional template and very minimal pricing, very affordable pricing, that is just rupees 2,999. This is only to support our fellow entrepreneurs. We have come up with this particular concept. So this is a great opportunity for you. If you have not created the website till now, take this opportunity, go to our website. It's a complete online portal. So let me tell you what you need to do. Okay, what you need to do is go to wisewebtech.in, and there are different categories of template. Choose the template which you want to buy, right? Then click on the buy button, make the payment, and after making the payment you need to send us an email, the contents you want for the website. Okay, then we will create it and give you within 3 days time, maximum 3 days time. So you are getting a high quality and professional website design at just rupees 2,999, and this is only a very limited time offer. This is not going to be available for a long time. So it's a very limited time. So you can grab this opportunity fast, right? And grab this opportunity, do your website. If you already have a website which is not professional, then this is the time to redesign your website. So we are there for all the support, and also your friends and your people, you can pass this information because this is an amazing opportunity. This is only very limited time offer, so don't miss it. My dear friends, grab it, and I'm going to show you a quick demo on how to subscribe or how to buy templates through our website. Let's check it out. Hello my dear friends, I'm going to show you how to buy templates through our website wisewebtech.in. So check out wisewebtech.in. Then there are categories, there are trending templates, latest templates. If you look at the category, you have few options. Before even going to the category, let me walk through the home page. So you are going to get the single page responsive website design at rupees 2,999. Then this is the process of buying the template. You can choose the template, then make the payment, then email the website contents to contact@wisewebtech.com. Then we will customize it and give you. And there are different options. Since it is a very less priced template, we have only one single revision, and these are the sections to be there in the website: about us, services, contact us, and testimonials. Then you can check out our latest templates. These are all the latest templates in different category: non-profit, personal, agency, in all categories we have templates. These are some of the popular categories: corporate, business, technology, non-profit, entertainment. You can see all these categories, view all categories. Then we have trending themes, right? So I'm going to show you one demo in how to buy website through our website. Now look at this category, corporate. Click on this, then you can see which are the templates available in the corporate category. So click on the template. Then there are options. You can see live preview. You can click it and see the live preview, full template. Then there is an option buy button. So click on the buy button. Then it will ask for login. If you're already registered, you can log in here. If you're yet to register, go ahead and click on sign up. So complete this registration process. You will get an email, then confirm that, then again come back to the previous page and login. Then choose the category and then buy the template. So this is the procedure for buying the template from vicerotech.in. Thank you. So my dear friends, I'm sure you all understood how to buy the template from our website. So what you need to do next? Log into the website, buy the template, start your awesome website. Okay, so I wish you all the very best. Take charge and have a fantastic weekend. Bye-bye.